I'm going to give it an hour to cook.
Hello guys, welcome back to Properly Cooked. The today episode is intended to clear a lot of confusion between the Hungarian goulash and goulash. I mean, between the Hungarian beef stew and the goulash soup, what we call as Hungarian goulash. We are celebrating every single week as our subscriber base is growing day by day. We already have 174 subscribers. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do it now to share the knowledge and recipes how to cook properly. We went around the island to find the best bakery around to get a beautiful homemade sourdough bread. Long story short, let's get started how to cook the original Hungarian beef goulash soup. The ingredients is what I am using: oil, Hungarian sweet paprika, caraway seed, beef leg, salt, carrot, parsnip, parsley root, celery root, onions, garlic, piece of tomato and piece of pepper. You need to cut the onion. I need to chop it finely. I'm using a lot of onion, even though not as much what I would use for the beef stew. Heat up the oil. Let's saute the onion. Going into the warm oil and stirring constantly. Don't be scared of the quantity. As soon the onion gets sauteed, it's going to collapse and losing its volume.
It's going in it.
I chop the garlic in the meantime. Let's change the chopping board. I'm cutting the meat into small cubes. The best to use for goulash, a meat which is full of tendon. The tendon makes the meat really tender and tasty. So when you cook goulash, avoid the expensive cuts and go for the worst one possible. The onion is nicely sauteed. I'm adding the garlic. Roast it a little bit. And after a minute, I'm adding the Hungarian sweet paprika.
And some gravy granules.
Important step, when you're adding the sweet paprika, you need to pull off the onion base from the heat. Prepare a small glass of water, adding the paprika. I give it a stir. Sweet paprika dissolves in warm oils and fats. Then I'm adding the water, just a couple of drops, preventing the paprika from burning on the heat. Let's put it back to the stove. I'm adding a half piece of tomato, and a piece of pepper. To follow the original, traditional way. There is no liquid anymore, as it's all evaporated, so I'm adding the meat. Roast the meat at this point properly on a high heat until it's going to release its own juice. And of course, stir it quite often to not let it burn. Let's season it with some salt, with freshly grounded black pepper, with the caraway seed, which is a very important ingredient of the goulash soup. Thanks to this, you can reach the original goulash soup's character. You can see that the meat is already releasing its own juice. I will not cover, and please also don't do so. Let this liquid evaporate, and after it's gone, you need to roast the meat again.
Oh no! Our wooden spoon
passed away during a deadly accident. He's been with us cooking proper food in many videos. Let's remember him and watch some throwback. This multiple roasting procedure results the original authentic flavor of the goulash soup. As the roasting process is done, I'm lowering the temperature to keep our stew cooking. You forgot the potato. Peeling the potato in advance. I'm gonna chop it also into cubes. Then I will just keep it under water, so it's not going to turn brown. When you see that all the water is gone while roasting, I'm adding a full glass of water. I'm roasting it second time. After the liquid is gone, to enhance its roasted flavor and giving it a proper goulash character. Now it's the third time when the water is evaporated. There is no any more liquid left. It's just the pure sauce and the meat. I'm adding the vegetables. I'm stirring it into and roasting the vegetables together with the meat. Roasting the vegetables gives more depth for the sweetness of the vegetables. Stir it constantly on high heat. Now I'm adding the potatoes and water to fill up the pot. Perfect. Now I'm bringing up the soup to boil. Fix the flavor and give it the last fine tuning. You need to check if it's salty enough, if there is enough pepper or caraway seed. Just a touch of salt is missing. This soup is just awesome. It has a slightly thick texture thanks to the potato starch and to a lot of onion what we used in the beginning of the cooking. It must be thick and rich, fulfilling. Now there is only one thing to do left, is to be waiting until the vegetable will be cooked and the potato will soften. It takes around from 15 to 20 minutes, and at the same time also the meat will reach its right tenderness.
So I'm just serving the soup part now, as you can see.
Timing is crucial when you put the vegetable inside. You need to avoid to overcook the meat, so you need to count of the cooking time with the vegetables. I'm serving our goulash with sourdough bread. It's a perfect accompaniment for our beautiful soup. Rich and tasty, including all the original Hungarian flavors. Enjoy! Thank you guys for watching our cooking tutorial video of how to cook the original Hungarian beef goulash soup. I hope you enjoy our content, and please, if you didn't do it yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you will receive always notification when our new video will be posted. Thanks for watching, share and learn how to cook properly.